Hey guys, quick review of this camping cot and lounge chair. So I absolutely love this thing. Yes, I bought it for when I go camping, where I can lay down on it and sleep on it and everything. But I use it around the house pretty much every nice day. I come out here in my driveway, kind of just chill and read or work a little bit. Thing is so comfortable. So this pad is fully removable. You can see that the base of the chair is here, and it's your typical cot material, and you've got this like nice plush reversible pad on it as well. So this thing is super plush, and it's probably about time to wash it for me, but my kids love this thing. I love it. We just kind of like chill outside with it. So each of the legs folds, so that can fold under. That one kind of like stays where it is, and then this leg folds as well. So when you fold it up, and then of course this one as well. So when you fold it up, it's literally like a sandwich. It goes and just folds all around this right in the middle. It's got this pocket on the side here, which I love. You can put your phone, a book, whatever. Son's got some Pokemon cards in there. It's got this removable pillow. And I love that the cover wraps around the headrest right here. So it wraps, and then if you put this on there, it's like really staying in place. And then each section of the chair has like ties where you can tie it as well, to keep it from coming off, so it stays on really well. And then of course you've got the adjustment on the back here where you can go up and down a few different levels here. And then of course, let me go ahead and, it's hard to do with one hand here. There we go. If you take that off, then you can lay this completely flat and put that leg out. And now you've got a completely flat sleeping cot. So absolutely love this thing. Also comes with a travel bag. I don't have it out here right now, but it just folds into a sandwich and then goes into this black bag to stow or to travel with. So love this thing, highly recommend it.